Hello friends, welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move about the details of this video. So in this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful collection of hand embroidered hats. And these hats are very funky, stylish, very mesmerizing and eye-catching color combination of floral colors and leaves with some beautiful bunches have been made. So I would suggest you to make these embroidery patterns if you have some hats, or if you are thinking to buy some hats, then go for some hand embroidered hats. If you are unable to find hand embroidered hats around your markets or in your shopping malls or shopping areas, then one thing, that simply buy a non-embroidered hat and make these embroidery patterns on that hat. Because in summers, hats are a very important element of your dressing, because in extreme warm weathers, when you go out for some work or for some shopping or some other reasons, then you have to cover your head, because of the hot and warm temperature your blood pressure could shoot, or your hair could be damaged by direct heat of the sunlight, or by extreme winds your hairstyle could be damaged. So hats are a way to keep yourself protected from all these issues, and at the same time you could look classy and elegant, because hats are very trendy and have been in fashion from many years, and since those years up till date these are very trending and in fashion and are very demanding. So rather than spending a lot of money on branded hats, just go for simple ordinary and make these embroidery patterns. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed. We will soon be back with you along with some new videos and new ideas.